um, mathematical modeling. Well, that's the name of the class.
Yeah.
I got like game theory, differential equations, and like predator prey modeling and shit like that.
Good luck.
Thank you. What final do you got tomorrow, Chrissy?
Chemistry.
Oh, good luck on that.
Oh,
Are you ready for it?
Of course not. That's why I'm painting right now.
I like how you say it all like nonchalantly. Just
Where are you
no,
painting?
I'm not.
Oh, I'm painting a tooth right now.
A what?
A tooth.
Oh. What are you doing, like watercolor, acrylics?
Acrylic. Using acrylic. I have hella paint shit. I have hella art shit.
I got paint shit in my car.
Dude.
I wasn't even aware you painted, Chrissy.
That's actually really funny because, like, I think every guy has like paint and like picnic blankets in their car now.
Picnic blankets. I got a blanket. I used to have a blanket in the backseat, but I was the first no picnic. I'm kidding. I don't know. I just had paint shit in my car because, like, sometimes me and my friends just like when we had nothing to do. Quarantine,
yeah, no, it's
so,
such a big
we
thing
go
to
get
do.
drinks and then like we just drink and then try to paint the same thing, see who's turned out better or something.
You know how many dates I went on during COVID just to like paint, and it was actually getting really boring.
I'm guessing a lot.
It's too much. And we would like exchange our paint, like, oh, your painting's so good, like I like it, like, can I have it, and like whatnot. And now I ghosted them and like threw it away. Like, what the fuck? Like next time if I do that shit, I'm gonna let them keep it because I don't care now.
So when's our painting date, Chrissy?
Whenever. I'm pretty free. Dude, June is so weird. Like, I'm forgetful of like what I need to do.
What? In like the month of June? Or?
Yeah.
Just June?
Yeah, no, because people are like trying to do stuff in June with me, right? And I'm just like, I think I have something to do, but I just can't remember.
I don't know. We could do something when I'm back from Maui.
Yeah. And you get me a souvenir, dude.
Yeah, I got you. You got anything in mind you want? Or
no,
anything?
I just actually love everything from Hawaii, to be honest.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I got you something.
But if you get me like, I don't know, like something I can get here, I'm just gonna be like, oh, thanks. Like,
yeah, you're gonna say
I
thanks
appreciate
to
it.
but like, okay, do you want like some touristy ass like shit, like keychain or snow globe or some shit like that?
Actually, let me tell you, if you could find my name, sorry, I don't even know my spelling my name. You don't even know my spelling my name. No, because my name is not on any keychain, like at all. So like,
they might have the custom ones where you can tell.
No, don't custom that shit. The fuck?
What do you mean? It's on.
Oh hell no! Don't custom shit.
I got you. We'll see. Like my name is never on no keychain or anything.
Really? Not just even like ADI is on there?
Never.
Really?
I've never seen it.
I seen my name once actually on a keychain in Hawaii too when I like did dolphin encountering. So I bought it like right away, and then I broke that keychain now. So
Alright, so if I see that again, I got you.
Yeah. Have you had a Hawaiian donut before?
Well, last time I went to Hawaii, like I was so little, I barely remember it. So
Round
Those are
start.
busting the Hawaiian donuts. They sell it everywhere. Start with an M. Just be like, okay, I have some Hawaiian donuts. You're like, okay, and it's like filled with like different flavors. Like maybe
Different fillings.
cream. Yeah, but it's not like your regular donut. I don't know if it's cream. They're like, they're like stick.
I'm looking at. Oh, Morocco does.
Yeah, I think so. That's what's called. Those are good. I bought like a toy, like a plushie of it when I went to. But then I left it in a
So you
car
like-
and it melted.
The plushie or the hot dogs? Or not the hot dogs,
Oh,
the
no.
donuts.
The donuts.
How do donuts melt? What?
What's on like?
Like, I don't know. It was like
It just
know,
went
it's
bad or
weird.
something?
it went bad for like because it was like really hot and then it was in a car and it was just not
Right,
worth eating
yeah.
anymore.
Fair enough.
Alright, Chris, if I see a plushie or like some keychain or something, I got you.
Oh man, I'm excited as fuck.
Round start.
Are you ever gonna tell me what Christy stands for? Like, what's it short for?
Dude, I remember like you were in the car and you literally kept fucking distracting me when we were trying to help Ava turn in her fucking assignment. And I'm like, bro, stop fucking talking to me, bro. Her assignment is on the line right now. 15 minutes, bro. Shut the fuck up.
I just wanted to know.
Round start.
So you're gonna let me know now? Her assignment ain't on the line anymore.
Oh, it's nothing serious.
Bro, these guys are hardcore carrying me. Pretty sure they have their damage up in the 800s right now.
Round start.
So you're not gonna tell me, or you said it's nothing serious? Not really gonna answer.
Oh no, is this a nickname from my name? My name is like really similar to Chrissy, but it's just a really different spelling. It's not like common as like other Chrissy's. Never mind. It's just not common.
K.
It is. It is a K.
So I'm guessing it's not Christina.
No. It's really just similar. No different. I'm just gonna type it to you.
Alright, okay.
Is it not spelled with a Y and it's like spelled with an I at the end?
That'd be the most
Basically.
pointless short name if it's just that.
Like the reason why I just don't do this because I have no social media except for one thing with my actual spelling my name, and I don't like people knowing my full name. Like I had to deactivate my LinkedIn and shit because I had weird people like trying to do weird shit. I don't
Wait,
like that.
Chrissy, so do you not like your full name or something? Is
No,
that why
I
you go
like
by
my
Chrissy, or you
name.
just don't? Oh, okay.
I just don't like people
Knowing it, alright.
going to the extreme of doing weird stuff.
Makes sense.
That's fair enough, I guess.
Because I have a Discord server that's like full of fucking weirdos who's just like interested in doxing me. I don't know why.
Why do you still have the service?
I know.
Let me
Well, I
get
don't
the
tell you
invite though.
anymore.
I wanna do
What?
some snooping. I said let me get the invite.
Oh no.
Addie's gonna end up doxing you.
Enemy down.
Dude, that's why I like got so mad one time. Like I think Anson like gave them my Instagram. Like none of the people in there even know my Instagram. And I was like, I think I like kicked Anson out. I was like, fuck you, like don't ever do that again.
I don't want to dox you. I just lurk, see what's going on in there. So it's your server though, or are they
It's
all
my
like your
server.
sims?
Round
No.
start.
So I opened it with my friend, and then I just gave up on it. But it's still active. I just don't want to go in there because there's creepy people.
Mm.
So I just kind of let it do its own thing at the moment.
Round start.
You said fuck that. Makes sense. Wait, so do you go like Chrissy, like even with people IRL?
I can only if
or,
you guys want me to.
or is Chrissy
just-
mainly short, like online?
No, IRL as well. Just because, like, I don't know, people make me really anxious when they try to stalk me. I don't know.
Okay.
Round start.
I mean, I feel like that should make anyone anxious, you know?
Because I had people, like, I met from, like, Tinder come come to my house.
Okay.
Like uninvited?
Yeah.
That's fucking weird.
And it's like, I got really upset, and I'm just like, bro, if I ever, like, see you outside my house in your fucking car, I'm just gonna get a fucking gun and, like, shoot you.
Oh,
I'm pulling
Sorry,
up.
excuse me for my
Pulling up right
language.
now.
oh no.
No,
I was
I
doing
don't even know where you
something.
actually live.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck what you say on the stream as long as it's not like racial slurs or anything like that.
Okay. For sure.
Enemy
I'm about to
down.
drop some racial slurs right now.
Who?
Round start.
That was beautiful.
Thank you. Kind of a little baby burp, you know?
Damn.
Enemy down.